Hi guys, it's J-Dog Nest Man Show, back again in our first
day at our new caravan hut.
Yeah, first day of camping and a great day it's been, I must say. It's been raining for the last probably 6 hours, and the last 2 hours we've been setting our home up, and it's been jolly fun, I must say, hasn't it? Been good. The rain's been quite refreshing, to say the least.
You can see it dripping down at you.
Especially when, as you can see here, holding up pretty well. So,
but not
very,
for long.
it's got some leakage issues at this point. So
I always have to check it up with this umbrella. I always have to focus.
this is the water sewer. It's his new role. So it's been a good first day. As you can see, roof leakage. It's all happening in here. We've got Eric here. Come here, boy. So we've got Eric.
Behind
Come along, and he's loving camping life as well. There's nothing more fun than this. So it's a really good first day, and onwards and upwards from
Behind the
here.
camera's Drenched, Mum. There's Drenched, Dad.
Drenched. Oh, look at our S-girl up there, nice and cozy and warm up there, enjoying life. Watching the Kindle and all that. So we just wanted to touch base with you all and tell you how things were going with
I'll
our
show you
camping
how
life.
wet it is outside. Come on.
It's not that wet. Apparently,
If you
apparently 50 mil of rain is meant to come over the next 24 hours.
Stay.
But,
put all that here. Okay, I'm going to put this on. Can I only do that?
Just push the button.
So you see I just got this out. So there's this enormous puddle right here. Then we have our neighbours. We'll show you inside inside here. Walk, please. Okay, we won't show you what's there actually because we don't have the key. Is that right?
Yeah, it's inside. Thank you.
So we have this ginormous puddle, and my mum's actually stepping in. Then we have our neighbours don't take in. It's really hurting us and it's very mushy. Then we have the inside.
Let's go back inside. Back to S-Man.
yes, man. Yeah, camping life. Hashtag camping life. This is what it's all about, kids.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is. Character building. So we're expecting about, from what I hear, about 2 or 3 days of this. So it's going to be good. It's going to be good. Definitely. Definitely some crazy times ahead. Right. Anyway, we're gonna wrap it up for now. Anyway, and we'll touch base again probably after another drenching.
Disaster?
We'll see what happens tonight. There could be some
Disaster?
disaster or possibly motel staying at. I don't know. Who knows what can happen. Anyway,
Maybe this whole thing could go down like what happened at our last caravan park.
yeah, that's another story. I think we've got the stability issues. I think it's
look at
more a
our
leakage
seat.
problem we've got
Look
this
at our
time around.
seat.
So we're working through the issues.
And also
And-
look how dirty our feet is.
Yeah, you
These
can
are
see the
dirtier.
floor. It's pretty much almost raining in here.
And also
flood out,
you can
so-
probably see how
It's almost like a cave of some sort where
you can see
it's
this
just
is
dripping.
totally
Right.
wet.
Yeah, wringing wet. So that's where the term wringing wet comes from. When you're wringing your clothes and that's wet.
Yeah.
Alright. Right, so we'll catch you later on. We'll keep you updated of our progress. I'm not sure if we're going to upload any videos because I'm not sure we're having any power in this situation. It's going to
because
be
you can
very
see
good for setting up computers, but we might set up a computer and upload something later if